Hey Peter. What's up?
While we are all still basking in the last couple of days of what has happened with Cody Wanner, it's awesome. I think we're all kind of lacking the proper response in the excitement of just what it's meant for him and maybe what that means for all of us. And it is just cool to be acknowledged, so to speak. The No Small Creator thing has been so cool to be involved with here, the last couple weeks especially. But there's something that I can't stop thinking about with regard to what's happened for Cody and how that translates to the rest of us here in the No Small Creator movement. And what I would like to ask you to do is remove the word lucky from your vocabulary. Because while your first blush might be to look at the videos that Cody's posted the last couple of days and go, oh man, he got so lucky. No, he didn't. Cody's been hustling. Cody's been grinding. Cody's been daily uploading for how many months? This is all a part of the process.
And I'm like, oh, he's like a small creator, and I love the hustle. Like the fact that you don't even have, what, are you even at 3,000 this very moment? You're not even at 3,000 subscribers yet. And I love that you work harder than most people who are like past 2 million.
If Cody had just put out one video and sat in his living room and just waited to be lucky, then you might have a case. But Cody has been doing. Cody has been encouraging others to be doing. It makes me want to do. I'm sure if you're watching this video, it's been inspiring you to do the same. Oh, and then it culminated with him getting to hang out with Peter McKinnon for a couple of days.
What's up, everybody?
That's awesome. But it's not lucky. It's exactly what he's been working towards. And I would dare say that Cody would have continued doing all of what he has been doing, even if he never got to hang out with Peter McKinnon. That's not luck. That's hustle. That's do. That's determination. And that means that you create even if you're never acknowledged. So please, don't sit around waiting to get lucky. Just keep creating.